2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power sunroof, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.